What's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video let's unbox and review the JBL E25BT Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. JBL, as we know, is amongst the leaders in business of audio accessories for quite a long time. From wired earphones, headphones and speakers to wireless Bluetooth accessories, JBL has come quite a long way. So can the JBL compete with a wide range of Bluetooth earphones available in the market with the JBL E25BT? Let's find out. So taking a look at the box, we can see it has a very standard packaging with the name written on top of the box and some company information and pricing mentioned at the back of the box. Opening up the box, we have the earphones itself, which we'll keep aside for a bit. Coming to the other things, we get a pouch here, which seems to be of a very good quality. In the pouch, we have a clip which can be attached to the battery of the earphone, which in turn can be attached to our outfits to keep the earphones intact. Then we have some extra ear tips and a micro USB cable for charging the earphones. Then we get a manual and a warranty card as well. Now getting back to the earphones, I purchased them at the price of around 300 Indian rupees from Amazon.in. I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested in the same. Now, just to give you a physical overview, the earphones have 8mm drivers and are made out of good plastic and weighs around 18 grams. The material looks to be of good quality and build quality looks to be fine. The earphone comes in 3 different colors, the black, red and blue. The one which I have right now are in red color. It has a braided cable to which the controller is attached. On the controller there are plus and minus buttons and a button to receive and reject calls. And on the other side there is a microphone and a micro USB charging port. We then have the battery, which is 120 mAh as claimed by the company, with JBL branding on top of it. As for the Bluetooth range, I managed to walk 10 to 12 meters away from where my phone was placed before the music started stuttering. Sadly, the earphones do not come with any noise isolation or noise cancellation tech, and neither they are sweat or waterproof. As for the music play time, I managed to get around 6 to 7 hours of continuous music playback before the earphones died. The call quality on the other hand was very good, and I didn't face any complaints from the receiver's end while on a phone call. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphones from 0 to 100% in approximately 1.5 hours. While using these earphones, I noticed that they didn't have any magnetic lock to lock it around the neck when not in use. As for the comfort, there are 3 different ear tips included with these earphones, so I imagine one of them will fit your ears nicely. I used the default tips and have had no problems. The earbuds are angled slightly forward so that the sound feed right into your skull, and they stay in my ears 97% of the time. They aren't designed for jogging or strenuous walking. However, if you start moving around too much, they will come out. I haven't had any discomfort from the earphones, and the silicone tips are soft and non-irritating. The cord that connects the 2 earbuds is covered with braided nylon, and it's quite comfortable on the back of your neck. Connecting the earphones to the smartphone was very quick and easy. Simply pressing the call button on the controller for a few seconds turns it on. The blue blinking LED on the battery indicates that the earphones are ready to pair, and then can be paired with any smartphone. Pressing the middle button will play and pause the track. Also, this button can be used to pick calls. Pressing the plus or the minus button will increase or decrease the volume. Long pressing on the plus or minus button skips to the next or the previous track. Simultaneously, long pressing on the call button will turn off the earphones. Coming to the sound quality, The JBL E25BT Bluetooth earphones sound really good in my opinion. The bass is decent and balanced on these earphones. If you are a bass lover, then this might get you a little disappointed. The highs, mids and lows, on the other hand, were really good. I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music. The vocals were very crisp and clear as well. I didn't notice any sound distortion even at higher volumes. I would rate it 8 on 10 purely on music basis and 9 on 10 for the build quality. Now as for my verdict, the E25BT is a nice set from JBL. The sound quality is great as long as you aren't looking for super bass. You really pick up on everything that your music recordings have to offer. They're comfortable and very reasonably priced. My one wish for these earphones would be extra battery life and slightly better bass. If you have a situation where you don't need 15 to 20 hours of battery life, these are easy to recommend. So guys, this is it for the video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Do subscribe to me if you all haven't and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.